Welcome to my channel. In this video we will talk about Chat GPT. Chat GPT is the latest trending addition to the AI family. An AI tool that answers all your questions. Known for its easy-to-use and human-like responses, Chat GPT has become the most attractive AI tool in the digital world. It can help you upgrade your business, help you drive more traffic to your website, boost up your sales and do so much more, but only if you know how to use it properly. Here are 10 ways you can use Chat GPT in your life. Number 1. You can use Chat GPT to write emails. You can generate emails with any subject line via Chat GPT. Just provide it with a subject line. Just fill in the required details and your email is ready to be sent. Number 2. You can use Chat GPT to write stories or novels. Just give it a plot line and it will write the full story for you within seconds. Number 3. Use Chat GPT to help you with your homework. Stuck in your studies, need help? Just ask Chat GPT. Number 4. Need help writing a speech? Don't worry, Chat GPT has got your back. Just give it a writing prompt and your speech is ready. Number 5. Writing headlines. Unable to write eye-catching headlines? Use Chat GPT for inspiration. Just give it a topic and it will generate professional headlines for you. Number 6. E-commerce. If you are into e-commerce, then Chat GPT is just the tool for you. You can generate your product's title or description here. It can even help you in generating tags or campaigns for you. Number 7. Social media management. If you are into social media management, then you can use Chat GPT to generate social posts, media bios, or even captions for your posts. Number 8. Brainstorming ideas. You can use Chat GPT to help you brainstorm ideas for any topic. Number 9. Coding. Coding with Chat GPT can be our time saver. Chat GPT can even help you with coding tasks. It can be your partner while writing or debugging a code. It can be your assistant in developing apps or even games. Number 10. Writing articles. Want to write an article? Just ask Chat GPT. It will give you a full professionally written article, but you might want to paraphrase it. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more. Until next time, bye.